it's me, Just Bro, and I'm here to bring you a pack opening of Magic the Gathering cards, like always. Bubby does not want to be apparently in the video. He's sitting next to the tripod, but yes, I'm in bed. I'm going to work in the next hour. I had some card therapy because yesterday really fucking sucked for me, so I figured why not make a video and open 8 packs. So I got 3 of the Edge of Eternities, 3 of the Zendikar Rising, and 2 of the Amonkhet packs. Yeah, Amonkhet. I would say that I'm actually kind of excited to open these 2. So I guess I'll start the video by opening these Amonkhet cards. Yes. I did graduate high school, so yes. Alright. So, let me bring this a little bit. There we go. Oh, hello. You see my pretty face. So we got Blood Lust Insider. Wow. Oh, Butters. Fan Bearer. Miasmic Mummy. It's a zombie jackal. Giant Spider. Bitterblade Warrior, Jackal Warrior. So these are very Egyptian themed. Neff Crop Entangler. Cartouche of Ambition. Hello, Bubby. Did you decide to join the video? Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's see if we can get you in the screen. Oh, there you go. Hey, Bubby. Say hi to everyone. Hey, Butters. This is my little butterbutt. My support. We got Shimmer Scale Drake. Alright, thanks for the guest appearance. He went back on the floor. Cradle of the Accuser. It's a desert land. Ashar Cultivator. Protector of the Hakima. Blood Rage Brawler. Honor Corp Captain. And our legendary card is Glory Bound Initiate. You may exert Glory Bound Initiate as it attacks. When you do, it gets +1/+3 and gains life leak until end of turn. Alright. There it is. Whoa. Alright. Oh, and then it won't untap during your next untap step. So that's good. And then we just got a mountain card. And I guess it just comes with these. That's pretty cool. I don't know what they're for. I guess there's a mechanism for them. Sure. And then let's go and open this one. Alright. We got Ta Crop Skirmisher. Another Bloodlust Insider. Sacred Cat. Meow. Meow. Compelling Argument. Another Miasmic Mummy. It's a Jackal Zombie. Hooded Brawler. It's a Naga Warrior. A River Serpent. Unwavering Initiate. Why was that so hard to say? Unwavering Initiate. Oh, I see. So the embalming is probably has to do with this, so because this says embalm. Got a land card. It's a Sun-Scorched Desert. It says when Sun-Scorched Desert enters the battlefield, it deals 1 damage to target player, and then it adds a mana of one mana. It adds 1 mana. 1 mana. Protection of the Hakima. Another one of those. Trial of Zell. It's the Trial of Zell. And then our legend card, our legendary card, is Honored Hydra. It has Trample, it has Embalmed, and it's a Snake Hydra. Look at that. And then I have a foiled Vizier of Remedies. It's a human cleric. Very shiny, very shiny, very shiny. And then we got a forest card. And then a hippopotamus token. Because everybody knows all I want is a hippopotamus. I want a hippopotamus. Those were pretty good. I was kind of hoping to get some strong white cards. I did get the protection of Hikima. And then I did get Glory Bound Initiate. It's pretty cool. Sacred Cat. Maybe I'll put some cats in the deck. A mono white deck. Oh, the Scorched Sun Desert is pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. There's some cool ones. I guess the Fan Bearer would be pretty good. It's a white one. And we got two cards. I really needed some forest cards, so some forest. I'm really tired. I'm very tired. Work has been kicking my ass. Mr. Butters has been my source of comfort in these trying times. Mr. Butters is the babe. They're the VIP of my life. So this is a Zendikar. So I got a Core Warrior. I got a Forest. I like how they're going backwards on this one. So I got Thundering Spark Mage. Did I do it backwards? Did I open it backwards? Oh well. Inscription of Abundance. It's a legendary card. It's choose one. If the spell was kicked, choose any number instead. Put 2/1/1 counters on target creature. Target creature gains X life, where X is the greatest. Oh, target player gains X life, where X is the greatest power among creatures they control. Target creature you control fights target creature you don't control. Yeah. Then we have Bayan Veil. Goma Fada Vanguard. Cleric of Life's Bond is a vampire cleric. Feed the Swarm. Feed the Swarm. Negate. 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 We got a negate here. Scavenged Blade. Nisa's Zendikon. That's a pretty interesting card. Far Sight Adept. It's a core wizard. Kazandu Stomper. Inordient Rage. Rage. Kazandu Nectar Pot. It's an insect. It's a pretty cool card. I like that. Expedition Diver. It's a merfolk with flying. And that is it. And I think we did not get a mana card. But we did get some pretty cool cards. I did like some of them. So I guess I'll go ahead and pull another Zendikar. Open another Zendikar. Oh, we got a Plains this time. So, okay, so I did open it right. So I think this is just how they packed them. So I did get an island Plains card. I'm sorry. I got Vanquish the Weak. So I got, for my legendary, I got Nimble Trap Finder. Nimble Trap Finder can't be blocked if you had another cleric, rogue, warrior, or wizard enter the battlefield under your control this turn. At the beginning of combat on your turn, if you have a full party, creatures you control gain whatever this card deals combat damage to a player. Draw a card until end of turn. So he's a rogue, so that's pretty cool. Tangled Flora Hidden. So it taps for 1. And then it says tapped. Veil enters the battlefield tapped. Add. Oh, I guess it goes like a land. And then you add a tapped. And then it could be a creature? Or you could choose to make it a land? I don't know. That's a weird card. Oh, wait. I see. Oh, I see. So you could choose if you wanted to the start. if you wanted to be an... Okay, so if you want to play it as a land, you can play it as a land. But if you want to play it as an elemental, you have to tap 1 green mana and another mana. So 1 other mana, and it'll turn into an elemental. And then I guess if you want to turn it back, that's pretty cool. I might actually put that in my deck. What is it? World Shaper. Yeah, from the Edge of Eternity. So that would be pretty cool. Marasa Sproutling. It's a plant elemental. Rock Slide Sorcerer. Vanquish the weak. Vanquish the weak. Yes. That's such a black card. That's such a evil spell. Stonework Pack Beast. It's an artifact creature beast. It is also a cleric, rogue, warrior, and wizard. And then you can tap to add 1 mana of any color. So there you go. It's an artifact. It's a cleric. It's a rogue. It's a warrior. It's a wizard. And it can tap for any color you wish. But you gotta tap 2 for it. So whatever. Cabera Outrider. When Cabera enters the battlefield, creatures go. Oh. You have to have a party. So this is about having a party of warriors and clerics. Tuk Rebel Fort. This lets your creatures have haste. Tuk. I'm guessing that little creature's Tuk. Reclaim the Waste. Reclaim the Waste. It's a sorcery. Grow Tag Bug Catcher. It's a goblin warrior. And he is trying to eat that fish. Go, goblin, go. Cascade Seer. It's a merfolk. Yes, look at that. And I'm excited for this one. This one is Shepherd of Heroes. It's an angel cleric. When the Shepherd of Heroes enters the battlefield, you gain 2 life for each creature in your party. Whoa. Look at her. She's so pretty. Spitfire Lack. It's got landfall whenever a land enters the battlefield. Oh. Deals 1 damage to each opponent. Look at that. That might actually go into my deck that I'm making. In my World Shaper deck. Yeah, that's definitely going in. Vanquish the Weak. Just it's a foil though. It's a foiled. Look at that. Can't have too many Vanquish the Weak. Yeah, really can't. Oh wait. No, I'm sorry. That's the end of the... Oh, I was like so excited. I was like, hey, we got another one. Well, we did. I think we have this one and 2. Yeah, so I got two Vanquish the Weeks. Let's see if we can get a 3rd one. I'm all about vanquishing the weak this week. Alright, so literally, I'm opening the pack like this. I'm pulling it, and then it's backwards. And we got a forest card, which I'm happy about, because the deck I'm making is mainly green. Can you tell I'm tired? Alright, so I got Seagate Banneret. It's a nice foil. Oh my god, I just bought this card for my deck! Oh my god, it is a Lotus Cobra! Oh my god, I literally just bought this card for my deck. Oh my god, it's a Lotus Cobra. And sorry. Kazul's Fury. Ooh, Kazul's Fury. I'm so excited about that one. I might put that one in. I'm gonna replace that one. Skyclave Pickaxe. Oh, this has got landfall. Whenever a land enters the battlefield under your control, equip creatures get 2/2 until the end of the turn. Ooh, I'm gonna really have to revise my deck, because now I want to put more cards. I don't know. I'm just crazy. Counter target mono creature spell. Concert defense. There we go. I got a Marauding Blight Priest, which is a vampire cleric. Whenever you gain life, each opponent loses a life. Another Stonework Pack Beast. He's everything and a little bit of everything. He's everything and a little bit of everything. We have Joraga Visionary. She is an elf wizard. She enters the battlefield. You draw a card. Pressure Point. It's an instant. Tap target creature, draw the card. Ooh. Alright, we got Tizim Royal Mage. Not Royal Mage. It's a merfolk, and he's looking pretty cool with his little fish spear. Inordient Rage, another one. Alright, Rising Riptide. Or it's a creature elemental. Look at that. Looks like a clam. Territorial Scythe Cat. Can't have too many kitty cats. And it has landfall. Whenever a land control, put one counter on. Ooh. Man, I'm getting a lot of good landfall cards. We got another Grotag Bug Catcher. He's a Goblin Warrior, of course. And then that brings us back to the Skygate Banneret. Because when I got that Lotus Cobra, I was so freaking excited. I didn't spend too much on it. But I do have another Lotus Cobra. Oh, baby. I got some good landfall cards, so I'm going to really have to look at these. Because I got the World Shaper Precon for Edge of Eternities, which brings us to the last 3 packs. I'm wondering if I should just open them all at once and just go for it really quick, because this video is over 20 minutes long. So what I will do is I will put them like this. We'll have back to back of me just opening the packs. There we go. We'll open it slowly for your pleasure. Oh, listen to that ASMR goodness. All right, let's start. We got Eloy Gelblade. Yes. I'm gonna do these really quick. We have Night Luminary. We have Blooming Stinger. We have Frontline War Rager. Insatiable Skittermaw. We have Star Breach Well. Lost in Space. Temporal Intervention. Vote out. Goodbye. Social Engineering. McCann Assembler. Our legendary is Lumen Class Freight. Whiff Blade Enhancer. That's a Drix Artifactor. Interesting. I don't think I have that one. And got a nice mound card and a robot card. Can't have too many of those. Cryo Shatter. And Wetford Blade Enhancer. I think I have. Alright, that was the last one I. Shattered Wings. Take these broken wings. Nebula Dragon. Grav Kill. Pinnacle Kill Ship. Melt Strider Gear. Scour for Scraps. Blade of the Swarm. Dauntless Scrapbot. We have Sammy Ship Engineer. And then for our legendary, we have War Maker Gunship. I don't think I have this one. Radiant Strike. And it's a nice little foil there. Shiny, shiny. On planes, can't have too many of those, and can't have too many Lancer tokens. Rigged for War. Virus Beetle. Stealthcraft McCann. Flight Deck Commander. I don't know. Drix Fate Maker. Thawbringer. Red Tiger McCann. Dual Sun Adepts. Debris Field Crusher. Uthros Exile. Watery Grave. That's our legendary. And then we got Cosmogoyf. And then we have a foiled Biochin Engineering. God. And then we have a very nice Forest card. And we have a nice Lancer card. So, those were the cards for Edge of Eternities. I think I'm kind of Edge of Eternity out. I have so much Edge of Eternity stuff. Definitely next time I'm not going to get any more Edge of Eternity stuff. I think if I do want to get a card, I'm definitely going to just buy it. Sadly, we didn't get an Ancient Tomb. That would have been a very excited pull, but we did. I think I got a couple cards like the Whiff Blade. I don't think I have that. I haven't had that one. I pulled two. There's a lot of cards, like a lot of that I have that are common. Yeah. So pretty good finds. I think there's some that I was more excited about. The Landfall's definitely on that last pack. Was really good. I got the Lotus Cobra, which I did literally just buy like on TCG. I don't know how much, like $3 or $4. Not a lot. But it was an exciting pull to actually pull that out of a pack and be like, oh my god, I literally just bought that like 2 weeks ago for a deck I was building. So it just means that, you know, I can build another deck and not have to pull out cards from, you know, my other deck. So I'm very excited to, you know, open packs, video them, make a video, posting it online. So I'll try to be more consistent now that I have a job working at I wonder where I work at. Burger King. So definitely, you know, if you find this video entertaining, if you just like to hear my voice, if you just like to, you know, just stare at me or just look at the cards that I pull, just subscribe, like, comment. We can talk, we can be friends. I don't care. But everything you do, guys, I appreciate. I do this just for my insanity. So, peace out and wish me luck at Burger King.